Hello children, I am Vikesh from Mount Literacy School Jhansi. I am your science teacher.
So let's start with the very new chapter, that is a chapter number 9, reproduction in animals. So the first question will arise that what is reproduction? So as you know that in animals, male and female have a different reproductive organ, you have seen already. The reproductive animal produce gamete and fuse and form zygote. Zygote means a small baby. The zygote develop into the new similar species. The type of reproduction through the fusion of a male and female gamete is known as sexual reproduction. So in this chapter we are going to discuss the two type of reproduction, that is asexual and sexual reproduction. So first of all we are going to discuss about the asexual reproduction, in which we will discuss about the amoeba. As you can see that amoeba is a unicellular organism which can contain a single cell. So in amoeba the reproduction can be done by the binary fission. In binary fission, amoeba can be divided their cell into two parts along with the nucleus and form a two daughter amoebae. And after some time these daughter amoebae can also be divided into two and form another two daughter amoebae. So this is how the binary fission will happen inside the amoeba. Next matter in asexual reproduction, that is called budding. As you have seen the bud in the flowering plant, what will happen with the bud? After bud, the bud can be converted into the flower. The bud can be produced by the hydra from the side of their body. It will develop, and after complete development it can detach this bud from their body, and after some time this hydra can be developed into a young hydra. This is how the budding can be done in the hydra. The method that is called a fragmentation. The fragmentations can be done in Spirogyra, in which it can be having a ribbon-like body, and this ribbon-like body can be fragmented into the 3 or the 4 fragment, and each fragment can develop or grow into a new Spirogyra. That is how the fragmentations can be done into the Spirogyra. Now we are going to discuss the next method, that is a sexual reproduction method. When male and female gamete fuse and give birth to the young ones is known as sexual reproduction. The female and male members of each species have a different reproductive organ. The reproductive organs of a male and female produce the male and female gamete respectively. The process of fusion of a male and female gamete to produce single cell called zygote is known as fertilization. The zygote undergoes cell division to develop into an embryo. Animals such as humans, cats and dogs reproduce by the sexual reproduction only. So in today's video we have discussed asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Thank you.